Assalamu alaikum, all my viewers. How are you? Today I am watching video Huawei Nova 3i after water damage, light screen and touch screen not working. So listen to me how to I fix Huawei Nova 3i after water damage, light and touch screen not working. First, I check this phone. I took this phone customers. Phone is running, but the LCD screen not LCD light not working. Then I make one jumper from their screen. Now light working, but that's not working. LCD touch not working. So I tried this phone 3 days. I cannot find any solution to fix touch screen working. Then last days I find a solution of PMIC IC power. I see the inside water blue, and then I think this maybe this inside the problem of water case. Look, my phone is not working. It was before also light screen light not working, LCD light not working. Then I make jumper one LCD connector first pin, then light working, but touch screen not working. I changed the screen 2-3, but same issue. So I tested two phones. Number 3, I fixed many phone a lot, water damage and charging and everything. But this phone also water damage. If a touch screen not working, check this IC power inside. Just you remove the steel flat and push it IC little bit. Just push it inside IC. Then you check. I'm sure this phone working because it's not IC damage. Inside the water carbon, that's why it's a touch screen not working. Then I put it flex and warning, be careful, you need to temperature 300 degree. Then you can push it. I see it easy and better for not a side effect of another damage. Just you push it. I see it's 60 seconds. You can hit it inside the IC. I push it also already. So now I check this phone is working or no. This is next days, because this phone I tried 3 days. That's why my video are not clearly. Sorry for this about. I tried last 3 days. I will be successful. This phone after water damage, touch screen not working. So now I checking it's working or no. This phone, it was password. I don't know the password because this customer phone. Yeah, it's working. So my friend, if you like my videos, if you are my videos for you helpful, subscribe my channel and comment and share. Thank you. Bye.